Mm.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Wangala Man. In case you're new, thank you so much for coming. So guys, today I want to prepare omena and ugali. So this omena guys. Zoom in. So in case it's your first time to come across my video, keep subscribe, watch and comment, then share my video so that you can reach many people. So this water for ugali. So I'm going to cover it. I'm going to cover it until it bubbles. So I'm waiting for this water to boil, then I will cook ugali. So I want to, this is my omena, so I want to remove to see if there's any dirt. So you need to be so careful when picking this omena because you need to check it first, because there's a lot of small insects or what that here. Nimechukua yote. So in the village you can see we are just using firewood to cook, then you are just cooking out from outside. Our water is ready. Now I want to cook ugali. Nitoka tu vizuri. Maji ni mingi. So guys, you can see this how we are cooking our ugali. This is our cooking stick. This one. So guys, you can see in the village you are really struggling with the firewood to cook. Acha moto na hapa kweli. Nifika ngapi hivi? So guys, sijui utapozika ni chakula. The girl is ready. You can see, so I need to remove it. Now I want to cook our omena. So guys, this is our omena. I need to cook. So I'm going to add here oil. So guys, in the village we are really facing problem of fire because you know it rains every time, guys. Utasonga karibu. So I have to put here my omena. So guys, you can see the way it's turning brown. So some people wash the omena, but me, I don't like washing it. Wow. You have to get it up to you put it in bed. Then I'm going to add there onion. So I have my onion bulbs here, so I'm going to add. Add there. Oh, so this is how my omena looks like. Wow. So I'm going to add baking salt. Then I add little tea. So I'm going to wait. I'm going to cover it. I'll wait for 5 minutes, then I'll remove. This is my omena. Now I want to eat. So, wow. So guys, this is my ugali. Let the cover this. Wow. Ugali ya leo, but ni sawa. Okay, so this food is so amazing, it's so delicious. If you like this video, let me know. Drop a comment down there. Don't forget to watch my videos till the end. So, bye bye.